each of you. Congratulations, winners in grades 3 through 5. Thank you for your examples. We'll call you back up here at the very end.
So this month's Reach Award goes to a student who works incredibly and unbelievably hard every single day. He has been faced with his fair share of challenges, and in the 2 years that I have spent with him, I have not seen him give up, not even a single time. He comes to school every single day with a huge smile on his face, ready to learn, and that smile never goes away. His classmates describe him as a loving ball of happiness and someone who is always nice to everyone. He is an exemplar for effort and a positive attitude and simply has a heart of pure gold. I could not be more proud of you, Drayton Livingstone.
Good morning, Candale. I love the bright and shining smile that I receive from this student every day. I rarely see him not smiling and having fun at school. This student has been working extremely hard on perfecting his handwriting and his math facts, and I could not be more proud of his effort. But to top it off, this student was our classes and myself our biggest cheerleader at field day, making everybody feel special and make sure that every single person had a great time. And last but not least, they make the most fun, funniest, and cutest Tiny Tim I've ever seen in my life. Becca Young.
Good morning, Candale. I needed that this morning, thank you. We use the word REACH as an acronym to mean respect, alacrity, hard, cooperation. But this student, he's a young man in my class, he reaches to always say positive things to his classmates, to make up any work he's missed when he's out to the best of his ability. He's a hard worker. He is kind and polite. That's why this month I had to give the REACH Award to Preston Lamb.
So something I learned from Dr. Musser, and we do it in my class when we get really excited, is we take a full stop moment to get refocused. So can we take one full stop moment real quick? Means we close our eyes and just get really still. Thank you so much that we're ready to listen to first grade and kindergarten. So my REACH Award winner this year is someone who has been consistently showing REACH since her very first day in my class this year. And so this is kind of an overdue REACH Award for me. But one thing I'm so proud of
in the last month and a half or so is her growth in cooperation. She has become such a wonderful leader in our classroom. She's always willing to help her friends and not help them by doing their work for them or telling them the answers, but helping to coach them to get to those answers themselves and to encourage them to show their own learning. And so I am very excited to give this Month's Reach Award to Mary Ibsen.
Unfortunately, I can only pick one this month. And this student shows great alacrity. Every morning she greets me with a beautiful smile and a thank you, and she just has joy in her heart, and she just sees the beauty in everything that she does. Yesterday, we were all in a hurry to pack up, and all these rocks just spilled everywhere. And she took a moment to pick up every little single tiny stone while everybody else just walked around it. And I just want to thank her for that. So this goes out to Miss Emerald Stoney.
Good morning, Pandeo. Number of things for her showing reach, but I really want to focus on her heart today. All year long, she is so in tune with the emotions of her classmates. She's so perceptive. If someone's having a tough day, she'll often write them a note, slip it onto their desk to encourage them. If they've had a success and she notices it, she'll slip them a note congratulating them and encouraging them to keep pushing. She's also in tune with when your birthday is, and so it's not a surprise when that birthday card shows up. But oddly enough, her name is never on those notes. She is always anonymous. The other thing I love about this student is that she's always just looking for ways to help, but not ways to take the credit for it. After school, she stays with me while she waits for her middle school siblings to be dismissed. And each day she goes around and she checks each classmate's pencil box and makes sure that they have 2 sharpened pencils. She makes sure that their writing journal is where it needs to be for the next day. And she just never is all about the credit for that. And so we love you for that, Faith Mortensen. Thank you so much.
Sister Sue has been very quiet all year, and a couple weeks ago during reading group, he got incredibly silly and I had to redirect him. And since then, little by little, he has found his voice a little bit more every day. Carter Lieber. Our student for our PM class is one of the most serious learners I think I've ever had the pleasure of having in one of my classes, whether kindergarten or first grade. And to be that serious at 6 years old is pretty impressive. He learns from his mistakes, or he's learning to learn from his and that mistakes are okay, and the amount of effort he puts into his work every single day is amazing. Sean Chen.
Good morning, Dale. Okay, so I wrote mine down today because I know that it's going to be hard to say. So I'm just really proud of this student. Okay, so diligent and steady, consistent, earnest, and energetic effort. And the student has done just that. She's had an attitude of effort and I wrote. Okay, so she just has attitude just like the little engine that could. That little engine that could believe in itself even when it was hard. He constantly said, I think I can, I think I can. And he was able to do that. Believing in yourself is half the battle. And when you think you can do something, you can, and the student has. I've never been more proud of her accomplishments. The effort that she's put in. It's just truly astounding. Over 6 weeks, she's truly grown, and she can spell words, and she's sounding out words, and she's beginning to read, and I just am so excited for her and all that she can do. And I'm excited to see her progress for the next few months that she's in my class. And so, Charlie Williams comes.
This month, the student that I chose has worked hard all year to earn this award. His kind heart shines through always. His ability to overcome the adversities that exist in the kindergarten world with such alacrity is an admirable character trait. He is always working hard to give me his best effort. This much-deserved award goes to Mr. Blake Lawton.
Kindergarten through second, I'm so proud of you. Thank you for your example. One more round of applause, please. Love these assemblies. Thank you for being great audience members. Thank you for joining us and being here, everyone. This is the conclusion of our assembly, but we would love all of the future award winners to come up, have a photo opportunity if you would like, and I will see you